Hey guys, it's Basis National here. I guess I didn't record an intro to this video. Also, I should say that I had to find a way to transfer my videos into a different file format in order to even get them on my computer. Otherwise, it was just audio. And that took me a while to figure out. That's why I gave you kind of a half-assed video. I figured something at least better than nothing, you know? Um, but I won't be talking too much. Let's get into it. There we go. So, like I said, we're working on my lawnmower today. I wanted to weld the rear end of this so that both tires spin at the same time. See, I have it in gear right now. I turn it this way, this side turns that way. I want them to turn the same way, which this would mean like when you're turning, this one of them will move slower than the other one, or something like that of that sort. I got all the bolts off; they're all loose as you can see. So let's go for it. Looks gross. Oh, it smells nasty too. Holy fuck! Oh my! Whew. Gross. All right. I don't want to set that down right there. All right. So this is what the inside of it looks like. Oh, I got the flaps. Yes. All right. Oh. Kevin doesn't like that. All right. Well, that's what the inside of it looks like. So, what we're gonna want to do, like it's in there, and there's where we're gonna want to. Yep. So nasty. Okay, look at I gotta show you this. See in there? Look at that. Brother, So I definitely need to put something in here, because that's gross. Dang. Dang, that's gross. The lawnmower rear end, right? It's just schmoo. Ew. That's disgusting. You can see that's the other piece I took out first. Ew. But ew. Oh. It smells horrible too. Like, I know it's just grease, but still, like what the heck? This looks so gross. Okay. Well, what I want to do is, you see in here, maybe, possibly, well, anyway, in there, see that thing that's moving? Yeah, so we want that to just stay locked, so then this side doesn't go the opposite way. So, okay.
something over here. Okay, I'll touch that anymore. That's gross. Nope. Doesn't look like it. But yeah, so in here, I might just take this out just so then it's out for a minute. So I can clean it. Disgusting. Oh. Gross. Does this just come out as one? Hold on. Take a video how this was. Ooh. Sleeve. Erase. All right. I got a little brick left. Doesn't count, I guess. You ready? That's the last of it. Well then. Wait, I have the non-flammable stuff. The non-flammable kind. Alright. This is the non-flammable kind. So you know, I learned this trick. If you're running an aerosol on your aerosol cans and you still have a bunch of stuff left over, just crush it a bit. See a little more out of it. Jesus, look at me after a night of drinking. I don't drink no more. Alright, well, it looks like I'm gonna have to torch it out. Alright, I'll come back when I get this ready. And just let this sucker burn. So. Oop. Getting all the stuff in there. So, yeah. Sometimes just gotta let that run out and we will be all set to go. But I got pardon me, my thing's messy. I got quite a few of this stuff up here. Clean this off. Aha. Got to seal it up. Got some RTB for gasket maker. I got a whole grease gun full of grease. But I also think that I'm going to put a tap into the differential so that it can be greased up or oiled up. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do yet. But we'll get there when we get there. Yeah. So that thing's about to go out, and I'm gonna grab the wire brush and wire brush it, and I'll get the welder all set up, and we'll go ahead and weld. All right. Well, as you guys can probably tell, the rear end is kind of cleaner. Yeah, the sweater is kind of clean. They're not really. I wouldn't call it clean, honestly. I'd just say the crap's knocked off from the shmoo. The shmoo is gone. Shmoo be gone. Yeah, you can still see there's some chunks in there, but better than what it was. I tried. Trust me, I tried. As you see, it's all over me too. So yeah, we are going to attempt to weld it. So close. We're gonna attempt to weld it, and good luck to me, I guess. I'm gonna try and put you guys in time lapse. My phone has that capability, so I'm gonna try and test it out, see how it works. All right, so I got my welder all set up. I got the rear end set up as much as I possibly can. Wish me luck. I just got a little Chicago Electric welder, flux core. It just plugs into your regular 120 or 110, I guess, outlet. Yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys up in real time. Hopefully the time lapse that I made went well. Otherwise, if you're seeing this, I'm saying that, then it didn't. And I decided to clean it out a little bit more than it was, so you'll be able to see that if I have it in there. Let's see. Nice. I had to put more wire in my welder, so that's not using it now. Alright, if you guys can see all right. Wait, so I can see too. Yeah, don't touch it, that's hot. Alright. Let's see how gummy these welds are gonna look. I'm imagining pretty gummy. Alright. Alright, so my phone died, or not my phone died, but it got too low and then the camera shut off. But I decided after all that I RTV'd this. I put the black RTV on. You can probably see it in some spots. Oh yeah, like right over there. I put the black RTV on. I didn't fully tighten it down yet. Gotta wait for that RTV to set up, and since it's kind of cold, it's what's the temperature today? I think it was like almost 40s. And it is what did I say? 12:37, something like that. All right. So it says like 12:30 at night, 12:40 at night. So basically, all the hard stuff's done. I got the pulley back on. The next part is letting it dry, and then I need to put. So this is like a centrifugal clutch, like how a four-wheeler would, right? And the way that works is the faster that this spins, this will go in, and so then it'll squeeze the belt and it'll make the belt go outwards, and then it makes it go faster. That's kind of one of the sucky things about these kind of lawnmowers, because like this only has forward and reverse. Like here, look, It's only got forward and reverse. Like everything was done by the clutch. Like that's what this was, and it was a whole rod that went down, and it went and rode on the clutch. So then it ride the clutch to decide how fast you were going. And I didn't like that. I just kind of wanted it, all in all the time. Like to actually work like a clutch, like a car would. So you like slowly let off, and then it starts to take off, and then you can fully let off, and it'll do its thing. Yeah, so gotta do that. The clutch lever. So I've had this hooked up before, right? I hope this is like not a two-parter video. Oh, that's the other part I gotta do. See, that's one of the pulleys, the idler pulleys that I made. It's off of the deck of it. And then I need another pulley that I had another pulley like right here, same thing. But since it's a V-belt, it would twist. And then it would jam itself up. And then that down there, that's the pulley of the motor. That was I think that was the mower deck part of the shaft. This is the only thing that I could get like actually set in there and be straight. And then that I just picked up at my local Tractor Supply store. Not actually Tractor Supply, but Thiesen's. Yeah. Had to redo the neutral safety or the clutch safety switch because the clutch bar bent it and broke it. So I just, had way with it. What else? I redid the whole front end of this thing. Let's if I can show you. I redid that. The whole thing in the center of the frame. I redid the where it hooks up. As you can see, there's actually cotter keys in it now with that washer down there welded to it, or the nut. And so that's both sides. And I greased up and kind of fixed the thing, the bearings in this. Yeah. Oh. Well then. Okay. Oh, I didn't show you guys. Well, that must be coming out of the valve cover. Okay. It doesn't look like fully oil though. Ah! Oh no, it is. That is definitely oil. That's some thin oil. It looks like watery almost. I did just do an oil change. This fucking angle probably is not helping. I mean, freaking angle. Sorry. Yeah. So, yeah. But we'll get all that all settled. It does run. It's got a hater pipe. This thing is, for like how it is, it's really not that bad. It's really not that loud to me. We don't talk about the gas pedal. It's there, and it exists, and somehow it works. All right. Well, so that's all. We're just gonna brush on that, because if you're gonna do this, highly suggest doing the thing where you cut the handlebar off of a bike and use the bike's brake lever thing for that. 100%. Do it that way. Don't do it this way. I used the old that thing, and I kind of figured out. It's junky. I needed to fix that, but if it works, I don't care. Yeah. But rear end's done. Just gotta let it sit. And then tomorrow or something, I'm gonna put it in. I'm trying to make videos like at least once a week, if not twice. Kind of like a midweek update and then, like a full video. I'm not sure which one will be which right now, but I hope that, the first of the week is the big one, and then the second one is kind of like a follow up. I'm saying again. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and share for your friends if you like it. Yeah, thanks for joining me, man.